Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hydroponic drip systems that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Moistenland 43217. Are you planning to upgrade your drip irrigation and give it a professional touch? The Moistenland 43217 1FAME092 DIY Micro Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit is the best option to meet this goal. The features of this device make it possible for you to monitor its function with ease. The major motivation for testing this product was how it helps reduce 70% of water wastage. Unlike traditional drip heads, this drip system enables you to water exactly where it is required. Water scarcity is a reality across the globe, and to tackle it, this system helps you save water while providing the required amount to your plants. Additionally, this item abides by the needs of the hour. It is not old school and takes pride in its digital LCD screen. This screen is bright and displays easy-to-read texts, which enables you to use the features to their utmost potential. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Atwater HydroPod DIY Add Your Own Bucket Kit. For the ones who are looking for a DWC recirculating hydroponic system, the Atwater HydroPod DIY Add Your Bucket Kit is an excellent choice. It is best known for utilizing air pressure most efficiently. And if you are new to hydroponic drip systems, no worries. This product is pretty easy to use. Simply put, this is your ticket to creating a beautiful green garden in a box. It contains top feed, and if you put it out in the sun, your plants will grow and yield fruits in no time. The kit includes everything that your plant needs. All you need to do is set up your equipment, mix the nutrients, and put in the plants of your choice. Moreover, we were pretty impressed by its water-saving features. Both water and nutrition are directly delivered to the plant roots, thereby ensuring that there is no wastage. The roots do not have to struggle and can instead focus on better growth. It is no wonder that with this, your yields are 3 times faster. At number 3, we have the Blumat drip system. If you like minimalist watering solutions, the Blumat drip system 12-pack medium kit with reservoir is the option to check out. It is highly popular among gardeners for the kind of versatility that it brings to the table. Be it outdoor gardens, greenhouses, or decks, this item is suitable for all. The best thing about this item is that nothing needs to be done manually. Everything is automated, and that allows you to travel whenever you please. Your plants will get watered timely every day without you having to worry about them. Moving on, the product offers excellent durability because it is made of high-quality ceramic. It is made in Austria and is highly reliable. The small knob on the dripper is sturdy and allows you to adjust the water flow as needed. This enables you to modify the water level differently for different plants. Thus, each plant gets the exact amount of water it needs. At number 2, we have the LAPOND Hydroponic Grow Kit. We have almost reached the end of our list, and next up, we have the LAPOND Hydroponic Grow Kit. If you are planning to grow leafy vegetables such as spinach, lettuce, or cabbage, this item is the best bet. Rest assured that you will have nutritious and tasty veggies growing in a month. What stands out about this item is that it does not pollute the environment at all. It is constructed entirely out of food-grade PVC U-pipes, which help you grow high-quality green, leafy, and tasty vegetables. The water and nutrients are deposited directly into the roots, thereby ensuring faster growth. Moreover, it allows you to set the water timings according to your requirements. This can be done either automatically or manually, depending on your preferences. It will enable you to set the water timing at 5, 15 to 30 minutes after every 30, 46 to 120 minutes, respectively, to help your plants get optimum water and nutrition. And finally, at number 1, we have the One Stop Outdoor Store 12. For our final entry, we have the One Stop Outdoor Store 12 GRW 12 Plant Home Grow Kit which is fit for both indoor and outdoor plantations. You can use this as a completely new system or get it attached to your existing sprinkler riser and turn it into a drip system to enhance its performance. On receiving the package, we noticed that the kit is extensively well stocked. As we have mentioned before, it contains 12 drip outlets with disc filters, 8 caps to protect unused outlets, check valves to maintain proper water pressure, and also micro-tubing. Additionally, even if you are a hobbyist and experimenting with gardening, you will have no trouble setting this up. Installation is a cakewalk, and with the guidance available in the instruction booklet, you will be done setting it up in no time. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.